This is going to be another distillation of orange hydrosol. I am doing it with 3 orange nectarines. Those are the bigger oranges with thicker skins. I put 2 liters of water in it, and I also am putting the top on, and I filled the top with the orange slices of the skins. I'm putting the top on, closing it up, turned it on, putting it on distill, and I'm going to do it for 2 hours. Here we go. And when it's done, I will let you know how beautiful it is, because I did another set, and I'm actually using it for my linen, to spray my linens, and I'm also using it in the bathroom when somebody goes to the bathroom. So this set is going to be, if it comes out the way I hope it does, it will be for sale. I will give you the rest of the video when it's all done. So the orange hydrosol is done. It was done with nectarines, with 3 of them cut up. And as you see, the hydrosol is beautiful. Too bad you can't smell it, because it smells fantastic. I got 1.5 liters of it, and I'm going to put it up on my website, and I'm going to allow it to cool because it's hot. So I got a little bit of essential oil, I would say about less than 1 ml, but I put it into the hydrosol because it's less than 1 ml. So, but you could see a little bit of it beating up in the water. But it is absolutely beautiful. It will go on my website, so watch out for it.